This is the full recipe to make the famous Neapolitan Danubio bread. Let's make it together.
This will be your final result, super soft and sweet.
You can fill it with cheese and ham and your children will love it and also adults will love it. We are going to use flour, salt, malt, fresh yeast, extra virgin olive oil, 1 egg and milk. And we are going to mix using the dough hook. We start adding immediately yeast and malt. Let it go for just 1 minute before adding other ingredients. Minimum speed, start mixing just for a few seconds, and we then start adding the milk and the egg. We can add oil and salt, and we increase a bit the speed. Now you can move the speed a bit higher for at least 5-6 minutes, and after that you can go even higher with the speed, but not too much. I use 3 out of 10 for the speed. Moreover, you can stop the kneading, have the dough resting for a minute, for example, after removing it from the dough. You can see that it's ready because you notice that the dough is not anymore connected to the base of the bowl. Stop kneading. After the 10 minutes, we are going to move this one on the countertop. The dough is pretty sticky, so I recommend you to help yourself with a spatula. The only thing that we want to do is to make a couple of foldings, being very gentle. Then we create tension on the surface. Let me show you. It's pretty smooth, and this is exactly what we want to achieve. Now let the dough resting for about 15 minutes before moving it into a container and then into the fridge, where it will stay for the entire night. Just a bit of tension on the surface. Once again, this is the result, and I'm going to move it into the storage. Cover it, and we go in fridge for the night. We have to wait that it is doubling. Save it for later, like, and don't forget to follow me to get the second part to complete the recipe.